Hey guys, it's Bruno here. Today I'm gonna show you the best workout plan to build muscle and burn something that you hate even more than you hate your alarm clock: body fat. First of all, let me give you some tips. Train for no more than 1 hour, because I've already told you that after 1 hour your levels of testosterone drop and you stop building muscle. Also, try to rest 2 days a week and give each muscle at least 48 hours to recover after a tough training session. You should also take a 7 to 10 days break after 8 to 10 weeks of exercise. This is done in order for you to recover both physically and mentally. You will not lose your gains in a week if you stick to your diet, of course. Don't eat a lot. Usually it takes around 3 to 4 weeks before your big muscles start shrinking. Let's start with our weekly workout plan. First day, you're gonna train chest. Make sure you wear a tight t-shirt while you do that. Second day, you're gonna train legs and abs. I know, right? You hate the leg part. On third day, you're gonna train your back. And on fourth day, you can just stay in bed all day, because on fourth day, you're gonna rest. Which for some people is great, but for some it's just a day in which they visualize going to the gym, like me. On fifth day, you're gonna train deltoids and traps. On sixth day, you're gonna train arms, which is biceps and triceps. And on seventh day, you're gonna rest, just like Jesus did. Or was it God? That was my weekly workout plan. That's what I use to have this amazing body and brag about it on my YouTube videos. These were the basics of my workout plan, but you can always switch it up, like make it easier for you, like change some of the details. For example, one day you can train twice a day and take the next day off. By doing that, you're gonna actually burn more calories, because usually your workouts are gonna be shorter. Get bigger muscles, rest for 1 to 2 minutes between sets. For more strength, rest for 3 to 5 minutes between sets. If you want a bigger belly and more body fat, rest for 20 minutes between sets. Make sure you stay on the phone the whole time. You've seen a lot of people do that, right? Or actually, a better way to say this is, if you want to get more body fat, lift for 30 seconds between each one of your rest times. Guys, that was it. Follow this workout plan and you're gonna get fit like me, probably funny like me also. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Any questions, put it in the comments bar below.